Two streaming giants, each promising gold standard shows and movies, but which one truly delivers? On the left, Max, bursting with blockbuster movies and prestige HBO classics. And on the right, Apple TV Plus, home to high-quality originals crafted for creatives. Let's skip the hype and get straight into the real comparisons. Every category counts, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. All right, before we get too deep, let's lay out the battleground. We've got pricing, content library, originals, video quality, simultaneous streaming, best for recommendations, and those weird quirks, unique features that set these two apart. Here's how it's going to go. We'll go category by category and make sure you know the vibe of each service. First up, pricing. Max is, well, yeah, it's expensive. Their annual payment option is nice if you want to commit, but brace yourself. It's $16.99 a month for ad-free. And if you're a 4K snob, that's a whopping $20.99 a month. Plus, they love upping those prices. Like, every quarter feels like some kind of upgrade. On the other hand, Apple TV Plus is honestly the wallet-friendly winner. $12.99 a month, ad-free included no matter the tier, 4K HDR at no extra cost, and you can still snag a free trial. Sure, for the amount of content you get, it's not a steal, but compared to Max, Apple TV Plus definitely makes you feel less robbed. So yeah, Apple TV Plus takes the win here. Now for content library. And oh boy, does Max flex hard in this area. If you love HBO classics, Game of Thrones, The Wire, The Sopranos, you've got the entire back catalog, plus Studio Ghibli movies, loads of Warner Brothers stuff, Adult Swim, Cartoon Network, and honestly, 70-plus new movies just dropped in November alone. The downside? Sometimes Max pulls the rug out from under you and says bye-bye to favorites out of nowhere. Licensing is a bit of a mess. Apple TV Plus? Way more chill. Smaller library, but every original is a banger. You've got Ted Lasso, Severance, some actual Oscar winners like Killers of the Flower Moon and Coda. Quality, not quantity, for real. But you can scroll through everything super quick, so if you're a browser, it's kind of limited. Max is clearly the powerhouse here. Next up, original programming. Max is famous for iconic stuff, like House of the Dragon is riding that Game of Thrones wave, Green Lantern and Harry Potter TV shows are on the way, plus Rachel Sennett popping up in a new series. And don't forget the load of Discovery Plus shows, unscripted TLC, Food Network, and HGTV content. Downside? Netflix and Prime pump out originals way more often, so Max feels a little slower, schedule-wise. Apple TV Plus? Highbrow award magnet. Severance, The Morning Show, feature films winning Oscars and Emmys. It's the place for stuff that critics eat up. But their new releases list is always short. For most people, it's more like an add-on service than the main event. Bottom line, Max crushes it for variety and big franchises. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Max actually launched as HBO Max back in May 2020? It's gone through a major glow-up since then, and now it's basically the home of all Warner Brothers Discovery content. Totally not the same old HBO anymore. Moving on to video quality. Max does give you 4K, but wait, only if you pay for the top-tier plan. Like, seriously, $20.99 a month is not casual. Standard, you're stuck with 1080p, which at this price feels kind of dated. But Apple TV Plus? 4K HDR, spatial audio, and all the cool tech stuff. Totally free, included. No weird tiers, just high def across the board. For anyone obsessed with crisp visuals, Apple TV Plus is head and shoulders above Max. Let's talk simultaneous streaming. How many people can join in on the fun from different rooms? Max, if you're on their standard plan, you're capped at 2 devices at once. And lately, they've been getting kind of serious about account sharing and password checks. So if you're thinking of splitting with 4 friends, not gonna happen without hoops. But Apple TV Plus, you can share with up to 5 people. Super flexible. Basically built for family and roommates who all want to watch at once. So, Apple TV Plus wins again for sharing. Alright, so which is best for you? This one's kind of a tie. Max slays if you're a prestige TV snob. Like you grew up on HBO and want to relive classics and chase blockbusters. If you also like unscripted stuff, there's Discovery Plus rolled in too. Not super ideal if you like endless browsing though. Now, Apple TV Plus is perfect for people who care about story, quality, creativity, and want every show to hit. It's great if you want a secondary service. Not for people who need a bottomless watch list though. So, depends what you're here for. Now let's peek at some quirks and unique features. Max goes big. Exclusive A24 movies, bundles with Disney Plus and Hulu, unscripted stuff from Discovery Plus, and even anime with Crunchyroll. Honestly, it's kind of wild, but keeping all those bundles straight takes work. Apple TV Plus, well, it's seamless if you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem. Easy activation and a free trial for curious folks. There might be an ad-supported tier coming? Meh. Partnerships outside Apple are limited, so not as explosive as Max's universe. Still, Max gets the nod for unique extras. Let's take a snapshot. Here's a side-by-side radar chart of all our categories. Pricing, content, originals, video quality, sharing, best for audience, and features. You'll see Max's spikes are all about content and franchise depth, while Apple TV Plus shows off in price and tech quality. So, bottom line, if you crave those prestige series, big movies, and variety, Max is definitely your go-to, especially if HBO classics are non-negotiable for you. But if you want every show to be a work of art and love a good deal with top-notch streaming quality, Apple TV Plus is straight up impressive at a lower price. Max wins out overall, but Apple TV Plus might just be the essential second service for most people. Ready to make the leap? If you're all about HBO classics and big-budget movies, Max is where it's at. But hey, if you want every original to be a hit and don't want to overpay, Apple TV Plus is an absolute steal